In today's fast evolving digital landscape, the complexity and sheer volume of cyber threats demand more than just traditional manual methods of network security management. Smart automation has emerged as a critical tool to enhance security operations, reduce human error, and ensure that organizations can stay ahead of evolving threats. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Automated security systems can continuously monitor network traffic and behaviors, detecting anomalies or suspicious activities in real time. This reduces the time it takes to identify potential threats and triggers immediate responses. When a potential breach or threat is detected, automated systems can immediately isolate affected areas, block malicious traffic, and initiate recovery processes, minimizing the damage caused by security incidents. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving smart automation by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns of malicious behavior. AI powered threat intelligence systems can predict and prevent potential threats before they manifest. Automation can continuously analyze the behavior of users and devices across the network, detecting deviations from normal patterns that may indicate a compromise. This type of proactive monitoring can catch threats that would be missed by traditional rule based security systems. Security teams are often overwhelmed by the number of alerts generated by manual systems, many of which turn out to be false positives. Automation reduces alert fatigue by accurately prioritizing high risk threats and filtering out non critical alerts, allowing security professionals to focus on real dangers. Automated systems can categorize threats based on severity, context, and potential impact, making it easier to respond to the most urgent threats first while ensuring that lower priority issues are addressed in due time. Smart automation is not just a trend but a necessity in modern network security. It enhances speed, accuracy, and scalability, making security operations more efficient and proactive. By leveraging AI, machine learning, and automated workflows, organizations can bolster their defense against increasingly sophisticated threats while reducing the burden on security teams. Automation provides a path to securing networks in a way that is both adaptive and sustainable in the face of the digital world's growing complexities. By leveraging smart automation, organizations can significantly improve their network security posture and protect against emerging threats. Let's look into today's headlines. Huawei launches revolutionary tri-fold smartphone Mate XT. Mate XT, which retails for $2,800, is the first triple folding smartphone ever released by Huawei. Executive Director of Huawei, Richard Yu, stated, "We have been working towards this for the past 5 years. Pre-orders for the 10.2-inch screen smartphone are being accepted before its September 20 release date. There are two color options for the Mate XT, which are black and gray." Google One Lite plan provides reasonable 30 GB cloud storage in India. With its new Google One Lite plan, which is available in India for 59 rupees per month or 589 rupees annually, users may access 30 GB of cloud storage. In contrast to the basic plan, Lite lacks further benefits and features like storage sharing. A lower introductory cost of 15 rupees for the first 2 months has been reported by some consumers. TEL and Tata Electronics collaborate on chip equipment infrastructure. For the infrastructure of semiconductor equipment, Tata Electronics and Tokyo Electron Limited (TEL) have inked a memorandum of understanding. The infrastructure at Tata Electronics' current semiconductor fab project in Gujarat's Dholera and its assembly and testing facilities in Assam's Jagi Road will be accelerated with the help of the Japanese semiconductor company TEL. R.S. Sharma, former TRI chief, elected as ONDC chairperson. R.S. Sharma, the former head of the National Health Authority (NHA) and the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI, has been named as the non-executive chairperson of the Open Network for Digital Commerce (ONDC) Council. He is an Indian Administrative Service officer from the 1978 batch who has had a remarkable career working for both the federal and state administrations. Sharma is recognized for spearheading changes and utilizing information technology. By 2030, the Indian EV market to reach over 20 trillion rupees. According to Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, the potential market for electric vehicles in India is expected to reach 20 trillion rupees by 2030, encompassing the entire EV ecosystem with an annual sales volume of 10 million units. The Minister for Road Transport and Highways emphasized the potential for the automobile industry to create 50 million employment during his speech at the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers annual conference. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.